think something new under the sun. You can't take back them things you already done. No.
So the studio is finally ready to go. But before I give you the official tour and show you all of the cool things that we've put into it, I want to show you the part that I'm most excited about, the commute. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. Let's go to work.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would.
And here it is. This is what we've all been waiting for, especially me. I'm going to give you a brief overview of the room and then show you a couple of the things around here that make it easier for us to work and special for our clients. First of all, I got about 32 feet from the front door to the back wall. It's essentially one big room, but I can use that full length for shooting, which is awesome. And right across the back wall, that is about from the corner, and that's back where the bathroom is, all the way over to here. That's about 22, 24 feet. So that's actually really cool to shoot. We can do full length, we can do groups. We've got a lot of shooting space to work with. Now, the ceilings are about 18 feet. So for my European friends, or like everybody who's not American, it's roughly 6 meters or so from the floor to the ceiling in the center, which is fantastic for moving your lights and doing stuff like that. And we've got some other cool stuff around here too that we haven't had before. So let me show you. This is something that we've never had before. This is a dedicated lounge area, which is awesome because many of our clients come in with a spouse or a parent or a friend as a second set of eyes and hands on a photo shoot, and it's really nice for them to have a comfortable place to chill out while we work. We also sit there with clients when they come in and have a little chat before we get started shooting, makes sure that we're all on the same page. And we also have a cool place to just chill with a cup of coffee for our own team meetings, which is really neat. So when we get together and do some planning on marketing stuff, we have a really nice place, a comfortable place to chill. And the best part? Naps. So many naps. This is a piece that I'm especially happy with, and special thanks to Kevin Landers from Grunt Woodworking, who custom made this mini makeup station. It's built right into the wall, kind of cantilevered onto the side with miters instead of having a table that takes up valuable space on the floor. And he even custom stained the top to match the floors in the studio, and we've got a little hook underneath, which is adorable for bags or whatever you want to hang under there. It's time to get a little nerdy. This is a pegboard from Wall Control. It's a metal pegboard, and I had it up in my old studio and I had to move it over here. Now the reason I got this is because on it are all of the things that I grab multiple times a day. Screwdrivers, hammers, tape, microphones, microphone cables, all that kind of stuff. Instead of having to dig through drawers or go through my shelves to find it, it's all right here above my desk. It saves me a ton of time. I didn't have enough room over here for all 3 sections that were in my old office, so I actually turned the 3rd section into a charging station over there, which is kind of a game changer. I have a background problem. I'm going to admit it, but I need a place to put them all. Storage space is at a premium here in this studio, especially floor space. So again, Kevin from Grunt Woodworking said, get a couple of these from Home Depot, and that's what we did. And so we put all of our seamless papers and other backgrounds up here on the wall, and it saves space, and they don't get damaged, and it's just kind of awesome. And speaking of storage, I had just enough room in this little hallway that goes back to our bathroom to put a heavy-duty storage rack that holds all my stuff. I had to throw out so much stuff to make everything fit in here. It was actually pretty cool to do that purge, and so, we're a lot more lighter. This place is more efficient than a Japanese bachelor's apartment. This is exactly what I wanted. And here we are at Journey's End, my desk. I've got my mini fridge right here. I got my Canon Pro Series 2100. I have a wall-mounted light stand back here to add light for YouTube videos when I need to, but mostly the available light around my desk is really nice and easy to use, so I'm gonna roll with that for a little while and see how it goes. The best part about this is being close to home. That commute's amazing. I'm a 5-minute walk away, which means I can walk home for lunch, and my kids can come up and see me in the middle of the day when they miss daddy, and that's been really awesome. I appreciate you coming on this journey with me. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas or suggestions, or tell me what you think. I'd love to hear from you. Like and subscribe and do all that jazz. And now I just got to get to work and keep my kids from tearing the place apart. See you next time. Guys, you're in my shot. Josie, get out of my shot. Go sit on the couch. You guys want a popsicle?
Yeah.
Go sit on the couch.